Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with some printables by Decorate Your Life. And this one is titled Stripes or Strips and Cotton. So here we go. Here's this one. Now you can cut the strips individually. You can cut these individually. You can cut this by itself. I have so many ideas with her kits. It's like my mind's blown. Here's another one. You got a row of deer, a row of wreaths, a row of cotton, and I love this part right here. The swag. You can do a lot with that. See? More strips. You got the two flowers. Whoops, I think I got, nope, I got it right. Well, if it's not right, she'll tell me down in the comments. And I will link her uh, shop down below with the link for this kit here. Look at this, how pretty. I like that. You can do whatever you want with these printables. I mean, it goes by your imagination. I can tell you that much. That's that one. Then we have this one. And then we have the final. So you have all of those. It's 7 pages. Okay. So it's called Strips and Cotton. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and remember, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.